Hiring a designer for every ad or thumbnail design is expensive. Doing it yourself, that's time consuming and frustrating. But what if an AI tool could do it for you in minutes? I built a free tool that turns simple prompts into full blown ads using Google Whisk, Adobe Firefly, or Google AI Studio. No skills needed, no design software. Whether you're a marketer or a creator, this could save you hours and money. Let me show you how it works. In order to access the free tool, head over to iGennovate.ai, select AI Tools, then head over to the AI Ad Prompt Generator and click on Start Creating. From the tool page, we are going to first select the AI model we are going to use. So in this case, we're going to use Nano Banana. Next, we're going to select the target platform, which we're going to select YouTube. And then we are going to enter the campaign details. This is the description of your product or service. So we are going to enter, for example, Happy Meal from McDonald's. Now we have McDonald's Chicken Burger Happy Meal as the product or the service description that I want to build the ad or a thumbnail for. And then we're going to select the ad type. Now the type, there is a selection here for you to pick from. And as you can see, you have a social media post, a display banner, product showcase, video thumbnail, and so on and so forth. So take your pick. In our example here, let's go ahead and select a video thumbnail, for example. And we are for the brand tone. Again, you have a number of brand tones that you can select from. Since this is a Happy Meal for kids, we're going to select playful. And then we can enter our target audience here in order to tell the AI who I'm building this ad for. Now that we have selected the target audience to be children from the ages 5 to 12, we have a quick style preset that you can select from. Now this is an optional. You can enter your own visual style here in number 4, but let's go ahead and say food photography. All right, so it will automatically select photorealistic, natural daylight, warm tones, overhead flat light. Now you can change all of these to your liking, but we are going to just go ahead with the preset. And finally, we can add the text overlay. Now we have order with smile as the text overlay on the thumbnail or on the ad that we're going to generate. And we can also select the text alignment. So where do you want this overlay text to be placed on your ad or image? In our case, we're going to go ahead and select left. And now we are ready. The prompt, as you can see, has been crafted here in this window. You can simply click on copy the prompt, and now it's copied to the clipboard. Next thing we can do is go to Google Whisk, and the Google Whisk is absolutely free of charge, so it doesn't really cost you anything. We want to make sure that we select the aspect ratio to be 16:9, and we're going to just paste the entire prompt here, and we're going to click go. And as you can see, we now have the thumbnail or the ad for the McDonald's chicken burger Happy Meal. It's not exactly the chicken burger, but as you can see here, this is exactly what we've asked for. Now in Nano Banana, you can go and change what's there. In Google Whisk, you have to continue to generate additional images if you don't like what's been generated in the first place. So this one is more of a chicken burger. This one is kind of mixed, but you get the idea of how you can actually create those images totally free of charge. The only thing you need is the prompt. Now, for the Google AI Studio, you can use Nano Banana, and this is free. And I highly recommend that you use Google AI Studio because it gives you editing capabilities. So once the image is generated, you can actually make changes to it. So we're going to go ahead and use Google AI Studio now to generate the image. Notice that I have selected aspect ratio 16:9 as well. And there you have it. Much, much better result. Let me make this bigger. The only thing you have here is you have the Gemini watermark here, which you can remove. but this is a complete ad for the Happy Meal by McDonald's. And you can see that you have the logo here, order with a smile, and you've got a nice box again because of the parameters that we've used, that we want something playful, and our target audience is kids from the ages of 5 to 12. And this is really, really very good, a very powerful result. Now, for those of you who use Adobe, Adobe now offers Nano Banana through Firefly. So you can actually go there, and again, we can select aspect ratio 16:9, and we can describe the same image here. Now, the results are not going to be very different from Google AI Studio, and that's because it essentially uses the same image model. But again, the capability to edit in Adobe Firefly is slightly better if that's what you want to do. And there you have it now. You have order with a smile, and you have the chicken burger Happy Meal with the fries and the little toy. And, you know, the look and feel matches exactly what we've created here in the ad prompt. And you can try this for anything that you want. All the ads that you saw at the beginning of the video has been created in exactly the same way. As a matter of fact, the thumbnail of this video has also been created using exactly the same method. We've used the Gennovate tool to give it just a very short description of what we want, and the result was the thumbnail that we've used for this video. Well, this is it for the show. I hope that you find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please do post them in the comments section below. Until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye for now.